How to make Kenyan ugali. Ugali is a staple food in Kenya, often served with stews, soups, or vegetables. It's a simple dish made from maize flour and water. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to make it. Ingredients: 2 cups maize flour, cornmeal, 4 cups water, salt to taste. Equipment: large pot, wooden spoon. Instructions: boil the water. Pour 4 cups of water into a large pot and bring it to a rolling boil. Add the maize flour gradually. Slowly add the maize flour to the boiling water a little at a time while stirring continuously. Be careful to avoid lumps. Stir continuously. Use a wooden spoon to stir the mixture vigorously, breaking up any lumps that form. The mixture will gradually thicken as you add more flour. Adjust consistency. Keep adding flour and stirring until the mixture becomes thick and firm. The ideal consistency is similar to a firm dough. Cook and shape. Once the desired consistency is reached, reduce heat to low and continue stirring for a few more minutes. The ugali should pull away from the sides of the pot. Serve. Remove the pot from the heat and let the ugali cool slightly. You can serve it directly from the pot or shape it into balls or rolls. Traditionally, ugali is eaten by hand, but you can also use a spoon and fork. Tips for perfect ugali. Quality of maize flour. Use a fine-grained maize flour for a smooth texture. Water temperature. Ensure the water is boiling vigorously before adding the flour. Stirring technique. Consistent and vigorous stirring is crucial to prevent lumps. Heat control. Lower the heat once the mixture thickens to avoid burning. Serving suggestion. Ugali is often served with a variety of stews such as sukuma wiki, collard greens, or with a side of meat or fish.